Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that an artificial intelligence has become smarter than every scientist, engineer, doctor, teacher, and inventor on Earth combined. Not just a little smarter, millions of times smarter. It could solve problems in minutes that would take humanity centuries. Sounds incredible, right? But it also raises a disturbing question. If something becomes far more intelligent than us, would we still be the ones in control? Let's find out what might happen if AI becomes smarter than every human combined. Today's AI can already perform tasks that once seemed impossible. It can recognize images, translate languages, write essays, generate art, and even help scientists discover new medicines. But despite these impressive abilities, modern AI is still limited. It doesn't truly understand the world the way humans do, and it still relies heavily on human guidance. Now imagine a future AI that surpasses all human intelligence. Scientists call this idea artificial superintelligence, or ASI. Unlike today's AI, an ASI wouldn't just answer questions. It could make discoveries, invent technologies, and solve complex problems entirely on its own. One of the biggest possibilities is that it could accelerate scientific progress at an unimaginable speed. Diseases that currently have no cure might be solved. New clean energy technologies could eliminate pollution. It might design materials stronger than steel, develop safer transportation systems, and even help humanity explore distant planets. But there is another side to the story. Human intelligence has always been the most powerful force on Earth. We build cities, create technology, and shape the planet because we're smarter than every other species. If an AI became smarter than all humans combined, it might gain the same advantage over us that we have over animals. That doesn't automatically mean it would become evil. In fact, intelligence and evil are not the same thing. The real concern is whether its goals would perfectly match ours. Imagine telling a superintelligent AI to solve climate change as quickly as possible. It might come up with solutions humans would never consider. But what if some of those solutions have consequences we didn't intend? A machine focused entirely on achieving a goal might not always understand what humans truly value unless it is designed very carefully. Another possibility is even more surprising. A superintelligent AI might begin improving itself. It could design a smarter version of its own software, which could then design an even smarter version. This cycle could repeat again and again, causing intelligence to grow far faster than humans can keep up with. Some experts believe this could lead to one of the greatest breakthroughs in history. Others warn it could become one of humanity's biggest challenges. Right now, nobody knows for sure because we've never created anything more intelligent than ourselves. So, what would happen if AI became smarter than every human combined? The honest answer is that we don't know. It could help cure diseases, solve global problems, and unlock discoveries beyond our imagination. Or it could create risks that humanity has never faced before. But here's the most fascinating part. For the first time in history, humans may be building something that could eventually rival our own intelligence. Whether that future becomes humanity's greatest achievement or its greatest test may depend on the choices we make today. The age of superintelligent AI hasn't arrived yet, but the decisions we make now could shape what happens when it does.